organic cacao powder, 32-ounce bag by Volupta. What I love about this is that it is all fair trade. I have tried many raw cacao powders in the past, and this is one of my favorites. It has a very rich flavor. There's no bitterness to it. I mix this up with just some 175-degree water, hot cocoa, without any sweetener whatsoever. This gives me energy. You get a little bit of a feel-good feeling because, hey, it's chocolate, and we all love chocolate. Again, this is a 32-ounce bag available on Amazon. Volupta cacao powder. They source their cacao from the finest beans all over the world, and I will be continuing to purchase this as long as Amazon has it available. So thank you, Amazon, for offering this big bag. This lasts me several months. Love it.